Available to own on video and DVD.
You can own the adventure of the Swan Princess on DVD. In a magical land, Odette and Derek were about to live happily ever after.
Arrange the marriage.
Until Rothbart's evil spell threatened it all.
As soon as moonlight leaves the lake, you turn back into a swan.
Where is Odette?
Now, to get Odette back, Derek and his friends will have to face a sorcerer of unspeakable power.
There's danger around us.
They'd hurt us if they found us.
Our backs are to the wall.
No fear!
No way, Jose. No chance.
No choice.
No fear!
With Jack Palance as Lord Rothbart.
That is mine.
John Cleese as the voice of Jean Bob.
I'm open! I'm open!
And Stephen Wright as Speed.
Get moving, slowpoke.
The Swan Princess on DVD. And the adventure continues. The Swan Princess faces a new danger. But with the help of Prince Derek and a few old friends, they'll defeat an evil sorceress.
You'll never get away with this.
Whoa! You gotta get out of here, Odette!
I've fought the Forbidden Arts before, but I am not going to lose Odette.
The Swan Princess and the Mystery of the Enchanted Treasure. And also available for the first time on DVD, The Swan Princess, Where It All Began.
A magical world of adventure and discovery is now yours to own on VHS and DVD. Columbia TriStar Home Entertainment has an extraordinary collection of some of the most fun-filled and educational family programs ever.
Can you believe it?
JJ the Jet Plane, The Berenstain Bears, Dragon Tales, Maggie and the Ferocious Beast, and The Magical Adventure of Imagination, Harold and the Purple Crayon. Zoom through life lessons, soar to new heights in learning, and let your imagination take flight.
I like that idea.
With JJ the Jet Plane.
What a ride!
Based on the best-selling children's book series of all time.
Welcome to Bear Country.
From Stan and Jan Berenstain. Bring home the Berenstain Bears.
Oh, they're so cute.
Seen daily on public television and now featured in all new classic tales.
A real prize winner, Papa.
It's the hit show Dragon Tales.
I wish with all my heart to fly with dragons in a land apart.
From Sony Pictures Entertainment and the creators of Sesame Street.
Come on, everybody.
Join Emmy, Max, and their dragon friends as they explore the magical world of Dragonland.
Fantastic.
There's Cassie, Ord, Zack and Wheezy, and Quetzal.
Wish will come true.
From award-winning Nelvana Studios, join a smart girl named Maggie.
Hello.
Her playful pals.
Oh, boy!
And the not-so-ferocious Beast.
Oh, Beast.
In a place called Nowhere Land, based on the beloved children's book, Maggie and the Ferocious Beast.
And it was fun!
One of the most popular children's books of all time has finally come to life.
Oh.
Imagination and his purple crayon are all Harold needs to take you to brand new worlds of fantasy and make-believe.
Whoa.
Crockett Johnson's classic, Harold and the Purple Crayon. These award-winning, educational, and fun-filled titles can be yours to watch again and again.
That would be great.
Own the excitement on DVD and video.
This I've got to see.